Hello everyone, Farmer Mechanic here. Today, we have a major project on the bench, a full top overhaul on this Toyota 2TR-FE engine. As you can see, we've pulled the entire engine out of the bay. Now you might ask, why pull the whole engine? Well, on this specific model, replacing the timing cover is a nightmare while it's still in the car. You have to drop the oil pan just to get the timing cover off properly. So pulling it out ensures 100% leak-free seal and saves us a lot of back pain. The mystery, where is the coolant going? The main issue with this unit was a disappearing act. The coolant was mixing with the engine oil. When we pulled the dipstick, the oil looked like a chocolate latte, that classic milky texture. At first, everyone suspects a blown head gasket, but there's a hidden culprit on these engines. Take a look at this old timing cover. If you look closely right here, see that? There's a tiny hairline crack. It looks small, but under operating pressure, it bleeds coolant directly into the oil passages. This is a common but often overlooked problem that can destroy your bearings, if not fixed immediately. The solution, head gasket and new parts. Since we're doing it right, we went ahead with a complete top overhaul. We installed a brand new OEM head gasket to ensure perfect compression and a solid seal between the head and the block. But the most important part? We ditched that cracked cover and replaced it with a brand new timing cover assembly. We meticulously cleaned the oil, pan and every single mating surface to make sure that RTV silicone seals perfectly. No shortcuts here. We want this engine to last another 200,000 miles. The result and call to action. And there she is, guys. The engine is back together, installed, and purring like a kitten. The temperature is stable, the oil is crystal clear, and most importantly, no more disappearing coolant. Mission accomplished for this 2TR-FE. Thanks for joining me on this build. If you found this technical breakdown helpful, or if you just love seeing engines come back to life, please show some love. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. This is Farmer Mechanic, keeping your engines running and your farms growing. See you in the next one. Peace.